What's the meaning of conceptualize? Conceptualize. Conceptualize.
Conceptualize. Conceptualize. The word conceptualize refers to the act of forming an abstract concept or idea in one's mind. It involves the process of thinking about something and organizing ideas into a coherent framework. When someone conceptualizes something, they interpret information and use it to create a mental representation that can be used to understand and navigate the world. The result of conceptualizing is the development of a clear and concise understanding of a subject, which can be used to communicate ideas, make decisions, and apply knowledge to various situations.